I want to inform all NRM members throughout the country that the primary election for the following categories shall be conducted on Monday, 5th October 2015. We could not carry the whole country, partly because our staffing is not as big, but also because we want to carry what we can manage. These are very sensitive elections, and we can carry it better when we decentralize, which the law allows us to. I want to urge all aspirants for MP and LOC5 and mayors to stop campaigns up to when we know the timetable and we set campaigns which we can monitor. I also want to warn government ministers using official vehicles. I have received complaints from Tororo, where I come from, that the government minister goes to campaign in the Sop, goes to campaign in the Paya, using official vehicle, without shame. If she does not stop, like two ministers in West Nile, I will stop them from campaigning.